Good morning, everybody. So I want to try and document as much of this journey as I can, and yesterday was kind of a hectic day, so I'm just going to recap it a little bit. But basically, we're starting a new job, so we had to get the machinery on Virgin Gorda and pack it into the truck, drive onto a barge. Barge took us back to Tortola where we started this new job, but as soon as we started, we ran into a few obstacles, and the concrete was actually 5,000 PSI concrete, which is pretty rare down here. Most of the concrete we deal with is soft concrete, about 2,500 PSI. So we had to order some new bits from Miami, get them FedEx down here, and they won't be here till Monday. So we're back here today in Virgin Gorda, just patching some holes and cracks, and that caused us a little bit of a delay, but we're just bouncing between jobs right now and trying to figure this out the best we can. So that's basically what happened yesterday. It was a lot of running around, and everything went smoothly until we started up the machine on the new job and realized that the concrete was extremely hard. So we'll figure it out. Cheers. I'm standing outside the window. 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 I was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name, put my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. So we're back in Virgin Gorda today. We had to come pick up the machinery, and we're catching the 12 o'clock barge to go back to Tortola. All the music and stuff is for the tourists coming off the cruise ship ferries. So we got a call last Friday to grind a floor that was damaged by the rain when they poured the concrete slab. So we're taking the machinery from one job back to Tortola to do that. It should take us about 5-6 days. And then we'll go back to Virgin Gorda in a couple weeks after we finish a few things on Tortola. Yesterday I had a pretty interesting client meeting for a new potential job, and in the first 15 seconds that I sat down, I saw one of my competitors' logos on one of the papers in his folder, but I wasn't able to see what the actual amount was that he quoted. But within that first 15 seconds of seeing one of my competitors' logos, it changed my mindset for the entire meeting, and I felt like I did really well. And hopefully we get the job. Morning, everybody. We're here at the Moorings Marina and Hotel in Tortola, and this client hired us to grind the surface of this concrete slab. When they poured the concrete slab a couple weeks ago, it got heavily damaged by the rain, and the roof, as you can see, isn't on the building yet. So we're just here. We got the bits yesterday, and we had the bits that we had to FedEx down because it's 5,000 PSI concrete, which we're not typically accustomed to, so we didn't have the proper bits for the machine to grind it efficiently. So we got the bits yesterday about midday, and then yesterday afternoon we grinded the first section and it went really well. So we're back again here for day 2 right now. thanks for watching the first episode of the vlog. I'm new to this, I'm still learning, but I'm very excited to, document this entire journey. So we're at about 65 subs right now on YouTube, and we need 100 subs in order to customize our URL to Concrete BVI, which all our other social media platforms already have. So remember to hit the subscribe button here, and yeah, continue to watch if you're interested. Thanks, bye.